how is everyone doing? My name is Jono, and tonight we are playing Splinter Cell Chaos Theory. This is a childhood favorite game of mine, and it's going to be really fun. We've already done part 1, so this is part 2, and we're doing the cargo ship. So how about we jump into that? If you guys like what you're seeing, make sure you hit that follow and subscribe button on YouTube. I'll see you then. Let's go. Game King. Alright. Let me know if there's any audio or technical issues. Okay. Cargo ship. I'm gonna do it on hard because I was getting my ass kicked on expert. Here we go.
The body of kidnapped American computer engineer Bruce Morgenholt was discovered in a village in Peru this morning. Implicated in the kidnapping and failed ransom attempt is Hugo Lacerda, alleged leader of the People's Voice, a newly formed guerrilla organization. Here we see the USS Clarence E. Walsh en route to the Yellow Sea for her first assignment amid rising tensions in the region. Dubbed the flagship of a 21st century fleet by Defense Secretary Mason, who reaffirmed America's commitment to our Japanese allies.
It is our hope that the presence of the Walsh, now the world's premier electronic and information warfare platform, will help diffuse the tensions in the region.
Information you recovered in Peru makes it look like Hugo Lacerda was contracted by a third party to kidnap and interrogate Morgenholt. His payment was in weapons. He appears to be using those arms to equip his own men and pay off debts to other guerrilla groups. Maybe Lacerda is a nickel anti-loser, but maybe he's learned some things from Morgenholt that we don't want anyone to know. The Maria Narcissa is out to sea, so there's no escape. Board her, search her, find out who Lacerda's been dealing with, and then make sure he doesn't have an opportunity to spread what he knows. Fifth freedom.
What
Alrighty.
Morgenholt knew about the mass kernels, recursive computation, and weaponized algorithms is akin to what Oppenheimer knew about atoms or what Turing knew about digital computers. Project Watson, the United Nations investigation into the mass kernels, will be remembered for centuries alongside the Manhattan Project as fundamental research that changed the nature of warfare forever.
This is
Imagine
an
if
intense
Che
game, by the
Guevara
way.
had kidnapped and interrogated Oppenheimer in 1959, and you have a pretty accurate parallel of the situation we're in right now.
We're going to send the helicopter out about 40 clicks ahead of the Maria Narcissa and leave you in the water on her course. You'll board covertly onto the bow. Search the ship and the holds. Find out what you can about the arms shipments and who Lacerda is dealing with. Satellite imaging shows the Maria Narcissa racks a small launch on the stern. That will be your primary extraction. If things go badly, we might be able to arrange to pluck you out of the sea.
We'll keep the Walsh inside a helicopter range of the target vessel at all times. If something goes wrong,
Hey,
we
what's
should
up,
be
Bean?
able
How's
to
it going,
assist
man?
in extraction. If you play it safe, we'll recover you when the ship's launched from open water once you're out of visual range of the ship.
Alrighty. So for anyone just joining, which I think is just Bean, Splinter Cell is a tactical stealth game. I wouldn't even call it a shooter because it's very much not a shooter, and you'll see. It's as stealth gets.
Fisher, we just pulled up Celestinia's last dry dock report for the Maria Narcissa. They have a newly installed central alarm system.
Don't tell me. 3 alarms and the mission is over?
Of course not. This is no video game, Fisher. But you don't want the whole place alerted to your presence. Keep it under control.
Alrighty. So, I'm chasing this guy named Lacerda because he had just interrogated this guy named Morgenholt, who has very valuable information to do with, I don't know, American numbers, and they're gonna sell it off to the Koreans, I think, or the Japanese. I don't know. Anyways.
Nice night. Shh. What's the roster? How many men aboard?
Total? There is 36 of us, I think. But that's including Lacerda and a couple of mean-looking mercenaries he brought with him.
Where's Lacerda now?
He was just here 20 minutes ago, complaining about his quarters. He said he wanted another room. Lacerda is probably drunk by now.
All right. Don't need him anymore. Okay. So I'm gonna see if I can sneak past this guy. I did put my video on. Hey, how's it going, Dav? I don't want to alert this guy, so I'm just gonna go over here. Alrighty. So we're trying to board this ship. Okay. So I don't know who's down here, so I'm gonna sticky cam this. Use my heat wave. I don't see anyone right now. I think we're good. Let's jump down. Hey, what's up, Gabe? This will be familiar to Gabe. I decided to restart this level because I was playing on expert. I just wasn't getting anywhere, so I decided to bump it down one difficulty. It's not on normal, still on hard, but oh. Gotta be careful. See this guy up here, guys? We're not gonna be taking him out. Because you see we only have 30 bullets, so we're gonna be taking this real slow. I'm gonna get even in more in the darkness. There he goes, turn him around. Gonna wait till he's a little bit further out. Alright, I think we're good to go. Please don't turn around, please don't turn around. Down we go. And we got a snoozing guy. Let's see if we can take this guy out without alerting him.
That's their alarm system, Fisher.
Wait, what?
I'm
How?
warning you. Be careful.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no. How did this happen? I'm dead. Look at how I died. Okay. So I'm just going to kill that guy. Alright, this time we're not going for the knockout, we're going straight for the knife. Come on! Fuck! What? How? I'm just gonna open the... There, that'll do it. Fuck. Alright, we made it.
Fisher, it looks like Lacerda is spreading around his newfound wealth, paying off debts with some of the arms that were delivered to him.
You want me to scan any more weapons crates?
Better idea. Plant tracking devices on them, and we can see who they end up getting delivered to.
Okay.
Alright, there's a crate, it looks like.
Good job, Sam. That's the first crate. Keep your eyes peeled for any more.
All right.
Fisher, we just intercepted a radio call from the Maria Narcissa. She's reporting a hull leak and asking for an escort.
The ship is sinking.
No, but apparently several compartments are flooded. You'll need to activate the bilge in the forward machine room to access all the cargo holds.
All right.
Noisy down here.
Oh, my!
Makes it easy to sneak up on people. What is this hold?
The auxiliary pump is here. There are some flooded compartments. The pump should be able to drain them.
Thanks for the information.
Don't need you anymore. Dead.
There should be a large pump in here that you can use to drain the forward cargo hold.
I'll find it.
All right. Oh, we got some guys.
You gonna start that pump there or what? I don't know how this stupid thing works. Captain Diego says hurry up or we'll sink. Well, if I do it wrong, we might sink faster. Then don't do it
here.
wrong. Easy for you to say.
Come on. Come on. There you go. There we go. What do you mean, sure? What, you think it's bullshit?
Good job. That'll drain the flooded compartments. Now you can search for the bill of lading attached to Lacerda's shipments.
All right.
He's a ninja, man. Hello, Feet Townsend.
I'm betting that Lacerda's shipping container is somewhere in this compartment. The bill of lading should be mounted on the side.
I'll have a look around.
Alright.
Good work, Sam. It looks like whoever delivered these arms to Lacerda was operating through a proxy.
Who?
Mercantil Costa Fuerza Seguridad de Panama.
Offshore bankers?
Yeah, the cigar-chomping kind.
Great. I love bureaucrats.
You still need to recover the transit ledger so we can figure out who else Lacerda is dealing with. Try the ship's office. They should have that information.
Oh, got some baddies.
Ay. Have you had a look around this boat?
Yeah,
Tell me you found the live raft.
somewhere on the top
Alright.
deck. Side, on there's a powered launch in this turn.
Think there is enough for everyone?
Yeah, I wouldn't trust them.
Alright, now's my chance.
Sensors in your suit are detecting a lot of fumes down there.
Yeah, I can smell it. Some kind of gas leak.
Could be enough to be a serious explosive hazard. We can't have any firing in the engine room.
Wonderful.
And don't expect the enemy to be smart enough to realize that. They might still open fire on you if they see you.
I get the message. I'll be discreet.
Great. Let's see if I can take out my light with the OCP. Don't sticky. I won't do a sticky camera. I'm hoping to lead them down here with the OCP.
Mommy, what's wrong with this thing now?
Yeah, come on.
That usually works. Yeah, spoken like a true technician. I ain't touching it.
Oh, great.
Stupid broken off the rock.
Is he gonna come this time?
Maybe it'll fix itself.
They're both coming, so just hug this wall down.
Madre de Dios! Oh.
Alright.
No signs of anything.
Oh no. I missed. I missed. Come on. Oh, it's so bright up here. Alright. Boo, 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 boo. Okay, this is where we were.
Sam, you're near the ship's office. This deck, starboard side.
And let's see.
Find the transit ledgers there.
That's where they should be keeping them.
Alright. Oh. There's another guy behind that door. Oh shit, 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 shit.
Hey, did Lacerda pass through here?
Yeah, he was here a few minutes ago, complaining about the ledgers. bastard. I hope someone cuts his throat.
Lacerda is not a man to trifle with.
I'm not going to trifle with him. I'm hoping someone else will do it.
That someone would experience painful death at Lacerda's hands. Where is Lacerda now?
I don't know, and I don't want to know.
Oh God.
Holy, what the hell was that?
Come here. Ah, that didn't work.
Damn it, come out here and fight like a man. Oh man, this is so...
Oh, not good.
You're gonna die out here! See you in hell!
Alright, alright. Come on.
I could take you down one-handed!
Ah! God damn it.
That's where they should be keeping them.
So I've been saving because when I played this on GameCube, and what am I trying to say? The system was not as good as like a PC. So on the PC version, you can play the whole level, but on GameCube, they used to split it up into 4 checkpoints, so you would have a load screen. So I've been just saving at those load screens, so it's kind of like fair, and I'm not like over saving. If that makes any sense. Which it probably doesn't.
Hey, did Lacerda pass through here?
Yeah, he was
Alright,
here a
let's
few
try this
minutes
again.
ago.
Can I loot ammo?
complaining
No, I
about
don't
the
think so.
ledgers. Bastard. I hope someone cuts his throat.
Lacerda is not a man to trifle with.
I'm not going to trifle with him. I'm hoping someone else will do it.
That someone would experience painful death at Lacerda's hands. Where is Lacerda now?
I don't know, and I don't want to know.
What if I...
What was that?
Alright, he's down. Check the cabinet.
The transit ledgers are forged. They say Lacerda's container is full of sugarcane and coconuts from a man named Nikaryakov in Malaysia.
Nikaryakov. I remember that name.
Nikaryakov is a code name that Philippine drug dealers use to indicate arms shipments.
So instead of nuts from Malaysia, Lacerda got guns from an imaginary Russian?
Exactly. Now why don't you go find out where Lacerda is hiding?
The captain probably knows where he is.
Good idea. Why don't you head to the bridge and ask?
Oh no.
That's their alarm system, Fisher. I'm warning you. Be careful.
Fucking shit. Alright, we can do one alarm. That just means they're gonna be a little bit more alert, but we're alright with that. can't quit the mission. Oh, see, he's alert now. See if I can bash his face in.
Just when you thought it couldn't get any worse?
Yeah, come here, come here. Sometimes it's fun to be a little bit more aggressive. Alright, next part. Oh, there's a crate. Alright, let's be careful here. Wait, there's a door right here?
Hey, Toma! Have you seen Lacerda? No, but I heard him yelling at someone a few minutes ago. That's why I came here. What was he yelling about this time? Complaining about his quarters or something. Bastard. Thinks now that he's got a little cash, he's king of the world. He'll get his one of these days. You'll see.
That's what we're trying to do. Alright, so he's gone, that's good.
Is there something over there?
Yeah. You know what I don't understand? Here we are, loaded up with Colombian. Best coffee in the world.
And the coffee tastes like bad one.
Exactly.
Guess it wasn't anything after all.
Because Captain Diego buys the cheapest coffee he can find.
Why?
Because cheap coffee sweats more. Makes it harder for the dogs to smell what's hidden inside the coffees.
Ah, that makes sense. Still, wouldn't mind a good cup of coffee.
Tell me about it.
Alright, I got past him, that's good. Pretty sure this is a checkpoint here, yeah. Yeah, it is. Let's go back. Here we didn't miss anything. I think it's just the kitchen. that's a crate. Yeah, I need to get in there. Oh, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Need that crate.
I appreciate what's going. How did this happen?
Alright. Still 2 more guys. Not so bad. Alright. Got him in the dark at least. Now let's get that crate.
Okay, Sam. Judging by the numbering on the crates, that's about half of them. See if you can find the rest.
Great. I have a feeling that's going to open to the kitchen, so I'm not going to go that way. Because there are 2 guys chilling there. Does the door lead there? Oh. It doesn't. Yeah, I'm gonna go through that door. I'll leave these guys. These guys can stay alive. Oh yeah, cool. What's in here? Something here. I guess it's nothing. It's the fridge. Alright, let's take a look at our goals. Eliminate Lacerda, find out where Lacerda's cabin is, okay. And obviously find these crates. Let's get out of here before those guys finish their coffee. Yeah, Daft, this game is really cool. Glad you like it. Maybe take that a little quieter, Sam. Alright, we're in the corridors. There's a dude in there. Let's not alarm him just yet. Showers. optic cable. Hey, what's up, Travis? Yeah, more night vision. I don't even know if anyone's in here. These corridors look pretty empty, I'm not gonna lie. Weak the legendary, though. What do you mean weak the legendary?
Good job, Sam. 2 more crates to go.
Oh yeah, it is legendary. Should we just leave this guy? Like, he's staring right at me. Like, I can't take him. Let's go upstairs. Oh my god.
Helm,
See me, Capitan.
make your heading 88 degrees, 6 minutes. Maintain speed.
Si, señor.
Scopes are clear?
Si, señor.
I need the captain.
Gracias.
Oh.
Now, almost 48 hours into the blackout, state governments in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Pennsylvania have authorized deployment of the National Guard to help keep the peace as tensions and hysteria rises.
I have a feeling I know where Lacerda's cabin is. Oh fuck. Alright, Mr. Captain.
I hear you have a special passenger tonight.
What? Who?
I'm the guy who's here to cash the checks Lacerda's been writing. Where is he?
That son of a... He was provoking my men, so I gave him my own cabin to shut him up.
That's very kind of you.
Be careful. He brought some personal bodyguards. They look dangerous.
I'm not afraid of Lacerda's thugs.
No, they're not Peruvian. They're Europeans, I think.
You're
Bros.
Thanks for the tip.
The pleasure is all mine. Leave me his corpse so I can feed it to the rats.
Oh. Won't kill him, I'll just knock him out. So it's cool in the...
So Lacerda is holed up in the captain's quarters.
Where's that?
3rd deck, port side. The 2 interior stairwells are the only access to that deck.
Oh, didn't want to do that. Okay, so yeah. I have my triggers and if I do left trigger, it chokes him out. And if I do right trigger, it slits his throat. So I get to choose. Not sure I want to go outside. Let's see if I can look at the map here. Alright, where am I now? I'm up here. I'll try to slit more throats. Okay, so I don't need to be up here. No one's steering the boat now. Ah, we're fine.
Now, almost 48 hours into the blackout, state governments in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Massachusetts, and Pennsylvania have authorized deployment of the National Guard to help keep the peace as tensions and hysteria rise.
Isn't supposed to be open.
Oh god. So I'm gonna go down here because this would normally kick the checkpoint on GameCube. So now I gotta save. Alright. Okay, so I'm on the right floor. Alright, let's look around this floor. Wait, am I on the right floor now, or was I before? No, I think it's up. I'll slit more throats for you, Sam. For 5 subs! Ha ha ha! Oh.
I tell you, never in my life have I been so insulted.
I don't see why you're so upset. He got you past the inspection. You think it's easy to get through the canal zone with all the crackdowns these days?
I don't care if it's hard. You think my job is easy?
There he is.
No, but this insult, forcing me to bribe an inspector out of my own pocket. No, this big shot, this Vice President, Senor Segundo Ruiz de Medeiros. Ha! I'll show him.
Fine.
Mark my words. I'll make him pay. I'll make him pay double, or my name is not Hugo Lacerda.
Great.
I need another drink.
Oh god.
Let me see. Now where?
Shh. Don't make a scene.
Madre de Dios!
Not exactly. But if it makes you feel better to pray.
Please don't kill me. Please let me go. I won't tell them I saw you.
You don't understand what's happening here, do you? Morgenholt. Your goons tortured him to death, and I'm holding you responsible.
Oh, no! It's not my fault!
The only thing worse than a coward is a liar. You gave the order, and now you're gonna die for it.
Please!
First, tell me who contracted you to kidnap him.
I don't know. I swear! I was contacted indirectly. I was warned not to try and find out. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I'm sorry. It's not my fault. I'm a coward. Please. I'm a coward. Please.
Good job, Fisher. I'll inform the Joint Chiefs that Lacerda is no longer a threat. Your primary objectives are completed. We can extract you whenever you're ready.
Oh dear. Let's go, buddy. Sticky shot here. So much for European fucking bodyguards, eh? There is one more crate though. I don't want to lose that one crate. take a look around this. Don't mind if I do.
Yeah, baby.
This guy's so America. We're missing a crate still. Must be up top. This song's sick. Sorry, buddy. Bang.
Narrator Land, you're listening to the best station in the city. Don't touch that dial. We got music from morning, noon, till night for all your greatest hits here on.
We're running out of time.
Want to listen?
It's like Circle Pit. The guy in the Circle Pit. Alright. I'm gonna go this way instead. Oh god.
What does it mean to bootstrap?
This is bad.
It means nothing. Look like I'm being
It's definitely something, buddy. And I'm an idiot. Oh, fuck.
big on seeing things.
I'm dead. And for Bean. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, we're looking for one more crate, guys. Running out of time. Okay, so this is our escape. Can't I throw him off? No, the fence doesn't let me. Time to leave.
What's that?
Oh god.
I heard something.
You're always hearing something.
But this time I'm pretty sure.
I thought the game was over. Oh god, this is bad. Okay, it's good. it's down here.
Nope. I don't see anything.
There it is. That's my crate. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Go away, go away, go away! You guys want a throat slit? Oh, interrogate.
Madre de Dios! How did...
I'll ask the questions. Tell me about the launch.
The launch?
The boat up there on the rack.
All you have to do is pull the lever up there and get in. What else do you need to know?
It's not mined or anything.
Are you crazy?
You
Why
know it's
would
gonna
we
make my
mine a
rank
lifeboat?
lower, right? Like, the more less people I kill, the better.
Don't let me stop you.
I'll do it. There, he's dead. Oh, now. This is not good.
Hey, I hear that. Back off.
Way to go, Fisher. One more crate to go.
What? What? What crate did I get? Oh, I know which one it is. No, I don't. I also don't care. My rank's already gonna be shit because I killed everyone. Yeah! Oh, we did do the... Oh, no, we didn't do that one. 61%, guys. 61%. Because of all the people I killed. No, it's because I got identified. Damn. All right, for those on YouTube, this has been episode 2. Wait, no, this will probably be... Yes, I think this will be episode 2. Yes, it will be. Thank you for coming. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right down below, and make sure you follow me on twitch.tv/JonoTownsend. Cool?